Tendulkar. We have already discussed it. Tendulkar is a cricket player. If you compare one person to another person, Tendulkar is the Brahman in India. Brahman is the name of a person. Haven't I discussed it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Tendulkar,
Yes, sir.
you see, Tendulkar is a cricket player. 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 Brahman is also cricket player. Yeah, he was. Now he is not. You may use his was because it is history. Brahman is also a cricket player. If you these two names, Tendulkar has one quality of a cricket player. Brahman has also quality of a cricket player. If you compare two persons, these used before superior. Tendulkar is the Brahman. Tendulkar is the Brahman in India. In India, here Brahman is superior. So when you compare two persons, superior persons will be used. D. Another we like to discuss. We have already discussed a lot of things. Regarding proper noun. Now we are going to discuss.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, Ada tike buchidin, sir.
Good. What?
Ada last jada buchidini.
Yeah. Another I like to tell you. Kalidas, you see, Kalidas was a poet. In India. Shakespeare was a poet. In England or in the world, so to say. World knows in English language. But in English, Shakespeare was a poet in English. If you compare these two, you may use Kalidas. You say, wait, I like to tell you, Kalidas was the Shakespeare. Kalidas was the Shakespeare in India. That means you think about the poetry. Quality of the poetry. How Shakespeare was writing, that we want to know. Kalidas was famous in writing poems. Shakespeare was also famous in writing poems. When we compare which is superior, we may use D. If you think that Kalidas is superior than Shakespeare, you may use Shakespeare. Shakespeare was the Kalidas. Shakespeare was the Kalidas in writing poems. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here we discussed Kalidas and Shakespeare. We thought that Shakespeare was superior. So we used D. But when we compare Shakespeare, Kalidas in writing poems, the quality of writing poems, we thought Shakespeare, Kalidas was superior. So we wrote D. before Kalidas?
Sir,
Come on.
Sir Kalidas was as good as Shakespeare. যদি এমনি বলা হয়,
Yeah,
তাহলে কি
if you
Shakespeare
write, if you think that both are same, if you think both are same, you may write here, no D is usual. No D is usual. If you think A is equal, Kalidas, if you think A is equal to B, then Kalidas was as popular as Shakespeare. As Shakespeare. In this case, no D is usual. Kalidas was as popular as Shakespeare. If you think both are same, no comparison, no superior, no inferior, in this contest, this is not usual. Any students? Any? Okay. It's over.
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, you collect the.
স্যার
Come on.
ସାର୍ ଦିଟା ଯାକ ଭିତରୁ ଯୋଉଟାକୁ ବି ଆମେ ସୁପେରିୟର ନେଇପାରିବା ନା?
If you think superior, are superiority, inferiority depends on your view. Yeah, someone who is superior, how? Really people know who is superior. According to your view, if A is superior, then you can use B is the A. If somebody's view B is superior, the A is the B. In different countries, people feel superior to different persons. Understood? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
স্যার
In really, people's views are different from time to time, from person to person. All the views are not equal. Somebody says, in India, somebody says Gandhi is superior. Somebody says Vallabhbhai Patel is superior. In cricket match also, in any game also, in society, different persons are superior in different eyes. If you compare two persons,